7 by 8. If a equals to sin square x plus cos to the power of 4x, then for all real x, what will be the interval of a? Now the concept we'll be using to find out the value of a lies between which interval. If r equals to a cos x plus b sin x plus c, then the max and minimum values of r are given by c plus or minus root of a square plus b square. Now only the problem we have is r should be in the form of a cos x plus b sin x plus c, where the powers are 1. It can be cos 2x, cos 4x, sin 2x, sin 4x, no problem. But we should have here the powers as 1. Whereas here we have sin square x and cos to the power of 4x. So somehow we have to use the formulas and convert that into the format of this so that we can apply this formula. So let's go ahead and start with that. We'll write down first a equals to a equals to sin square x plus cos to the power of 4x. What I will do, I'll write it as sin square x plus cos square x plus cos to the power of 4x minus cos square x, because I know sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So that will give me 1 plus cos to the power of 4x minus cos square x. Can I take cos square x common? Then it will become 1 plus cos square x into cos square x minus 1, which is nothing but equals to 1 minus sin square x cos square x. Now we will multiply with 4 and divide with 4 so that we can write it as 1 minus 4 sin square x cos square x divided by 4, which is equal to 1 minus 2 sin x cos x whole square divided by 4. But we know sin 2x equals to 2 sin x cos x, so we can change this to sin 2x in the next step. That is equals to 1 minus 1 by 4 into sin square 2x. We are little bit better when compared to our starting point where we have powers as 2 and 4. We are able to make it into 2 now. This 2 we want to remove, so we'll be using this formula. We'll go to the next level and write sin square 2x as 1 minus cos 4x by 2, so that we can remove the square there. So in the next step, we'll write down that is equals to 1 minus 1 by 4 into 1 minus cos 4x by 2. That is equals to a is equal to 1 minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 cos 4x. That means 7 by 8 plus 1 by 8 cos 4x. Now if we compare with the formula here, we see c is here and a is here and b is 0. So we can substitute in the formula. So the values will be c 7 by 8 plus or minus root of a square plus b square. That is root of a square is a. So 7 by 8 plus or minus 1 by 8. Now simplify that. We will have 7 by 8 minus 1 by 8 is 6 by 8. And 7 by 8 plus 1 by 8 is 8 by 8. That means 3 by 4 less than or equals to a less than or equals to 1. So the a values will be between 3 by 4 and 1, including the boundaries. Let's have a recap of this problem. If a equals to sine square x plus cos to the power 4x, then for all real x, we have to find out a value will be lying between which interval. Now, we know a equals to sine square x plus cos to the power 4x, but we have to write it in such a way that we can remove the powers 2 and 4 there. So we have used trigonometric formulas and we are able to convert that or transform that into 7 by 8 plus 1 by 8 cos 4x. Now without using this formula, another way we can solve is cos 4x value is always between minus 1 and 1. So the maximum value is plus 1 and the minimum value is minus 1. So that way also you can check that the answer is 7 by 8 plus or minus 1 by 8. That means sine square x plus cos to the power 4x values lie between 3 by 4 and 1, including the boundaries.